The loneliest monk walks the street at night. The loneliest monk, he played the wrong notes right. The loneliest monk wasn't short, wasn't tall. The loneliest monk, he wasn't lonely at all. The loneliest monk, round and round in his place. The loneliest monk, flawless living, bitter taste. The loneliest monk keeps his chance to himself. The loneliest monk, altered memories on a shelf. The loneliest monk used chopsticks to eat ice cream. Saw the things that go unseen, knows exactly what I mean. The loneliest monk never ventured from his range. The loneliest monk never cared that he was strange. The loneliest monk made the most of what he got. The loneliest monk, he chased a straight line, not. The loneliest monk knew the rules but kept them bent. The loneliest monk, he never tells but here's a hint. The loneliest monk, he stands on solid trampoline, brushed his teeth with gasoline, knows exactly what I mean. The loneliest monk, he is the holder of the key. The loneliest monk, he is a mentor to me.